Investing in Bitcoins indeed is pretty cool and lucrative. I mean, we've all heard the stories of people who become almost overnight millionaires by investing in cryptos. However, you still have to invest your own money, which you could lose. However, with the websites we'll show you today, you won't have to do that. In fact, you'll get Bitcoin just by watching videos. Before we get into that, welcome back to your online money traffic. In today's video, we'll discuss how to earn free Bitcoin by watching videos online. Watch till the end and put on your notification. The first website we're talking about is called Faucet. Faucet, according to its website, is a multi-Bitcoin faucet that, as a result of its multi-currency qualities, allows its customers to claim free cryptocurrency every minute and second, according to the website. Users have the opportunity to claim free cryptocurrency every minute and second. It is one of the most popular faucets available today, with more than 285,000 registered users worldwide and more than 132,114,383 claims since its introduction in January 2019. Hundreds of thousands of dollars have already been distributed to end customers of the service. It accepts a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Doji, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, Tron, BAT, and Zcash. They intended to add a few more coins to the pot at a later date. Please visit the registration page by clicking here in order to get started. Click the Sign Up button on this page once you've arrived at it in order to proceed. All you have to do is enter your username, email address, and password to get started. On the login screen, you will only need to enter your email address and password a single time. Coin is the cryptocurrency used by Faucet, albeit it is not a publicly traded coin. For a little fee, you can claim the coin through a faucet and then trade it for another cryptocurrency on the platform, such as Dogecoin or Bitcoin. The amount of coins you receive for each claim submitted through their Faucet website can reach up to 100 coins. Because the claiming period is every 25 minutes, you must wait another 25 minutes before attempting to collect coin. This requires you to solve the H CAPTCHA, which is both extremely inconvenient and the worst type of CAPTCHA to utilize. By the way, do you think Faucet appears to be legitimate? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Earn bucks. On the Faucet website, there are a plethora of opportunities to earn cryptocurrency money. There are now 7 distinct ways to gain free coins, all of which are listed here. To claim your prize, you can use any coin-based faucet that accepts your currency. An icon for the faucet button will display on the right side of the screen when you have logged in. You must first select a coin and then click on the Click Here to Claim button to complete the process. After that, you must solve the CAPTCHA and then click on the Claim button to complete the process. By claiming on a daily basis, you can enhance your winnings significantly. As soon as you click on the Claim PTC button, your browser will be redirected to the PTC page in a new browser window. You will notice PTC advertising on this website, which you can click on to enter a drawing for free money. It is the most pleasurable method of earning coin to spend time on the internet watching movies. On average, you can earn 500 to 700 coins every hour while watching films. Choosing to watch the new videos will reward you a total of 2,500 coin, and there are a total of 6 videos available to watch. Offers are also among the most effective and lucrative means of obtaining free coins. As seen by their widespread use, it is possible to win up to 100,000 coins by completing each of the offers on this page. If you choose to mine with a large number of threads, the mining operation will consume a significant amount of CPU power on your computer or device while it is running. The addition of more threads results in a faster hash rate, but at the expense of increased CPU usage and battery life. Any gadget may be used to mine if it is done correctly, and it will produce excellent hashes. Please keep the thread count low in order to avoid overheating. Additional bonuses and promotions are available, including weekly ES bonuses, membership bonuses, and Onyx bonuses, to name a few. Isn't it true that it appears to be too good to be true? However, this isn't the case at all. In addition, Faucet has earned a reputation as the most trusted and secure Bitcoin faucet since its inception in 2019. You should have no difficulties dealing with them. A number of bad Trustpilot reviews have been posted online. If you're interested in reading them, click here. Although they are not well known, they are trusted by thousands of people who earn money online. However, we have another website for you that may be just as wonderful as this one in terms of content. It is literally known as freebitco.in. This is the website of Free Bitcoin, a firm that claims to wish to provide individuals with the opportunity to win Bitcoin only by participating in games at no expense to themselves. Free Bitcoin's online headquarters is situated at freebitco.in. For those who are unfamiliar with Bitcoin, it is a sort of digital currency referred to as a cryptocurrency, which implies that it does not have a traditional physical presence like traditional currencies. Instead, information is transmitted through a peer-to-peer or person-to-person structure, which is totally online. A growing number of businesses and stores are accepting Bitcoin on a regular basis, according to the company's website, and it has the potential to increase in value over time as market trends shift, just like any other global currency. The purpose of freebitco.in is to provide those who are new to or amateurs in the use of Bitcoin with the option to begin earning and investing in Bitcoin completely for free by just playing a video game on their computer. Guests would have the option to win free Bitcoins every hour, according to the website's homepage. Every hour, its customers will be offered the option to participate in a simple game in which they can win up to $200 in free Bitcoins by following the instructions. According to the designers, once you've begun to wean yourself off your money, you'll be given another opportunity to multiply your Bitcoins by participating in a high-low game that has been designed to be provably fair by using a combination of math and cryptography. Customers have the ability to earn up to 1 Bitcoin for each game in which they engage, with the maximum earning potential being 1 Bitcoin. The participants are also encouraged to refer their friends and family members to the website in order for them to be able to join in the games. Every time someone you refer participates in one of their games on their websites, you will receive an immediate 50% share of any prize money they receive. In addition, they provide their customers the opportunity to participate in a weekly lottery in which they can earn free tickets for every time they or someone they have suggested participates in their free Bitcoin gaming environment. Also, please share your comments about freebitco.in and its services in the comments area below. There are certain currencies, such as Bitcoin, that exist, have been around for a while, and have been viewed as potentially decent investments, depending on who you listen to. Bitcoin is one of these currencies. The fact that this website takes Bitcoin does not raise any concerns about the validity of the website in question. The most major issue in this website is that it contains a severe lack of information, which is its most critical flaw. They spend almost no time explaining to their existing customers how their game works and why it ultimately results in them giving you free Bitcoin, despite the fact that they spend a great deal of time and effort describing Bitcoin to potential consumers, including how it works and its value. As a result, there may be certain complications that were not expected. However, you have the opportunity to earn Bitcoin with the use of this service, which is the most important part for me. What do you think about these two websites, which earn you free Bitcoin? Do you think they're legit? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos on making money online. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.